How do you use AI for your marketing without it sounding like a robot wrote it? Honestly, the simple answer is easy. You just ask it not to. Of course, it's not actually that easy. In 2026, everyone can spot a delve into or unlock your potential from a mile away. If you want it to sound human, it all depends on your prompt and which model you're using. Stop giving one-sentence prompts. Treat the AI like a new marketing intern. Tell it three things. The voice, don't just say professional. Say, write like a down-to-earth British business owner who's had 2 coffees. The no-go zone, give it a banned word list. Ban words like revolutionary, leverage, and tapestry. The why, give it a real-life customer story or a specific result you achieved this week. AI can't hallucinate your actual experience. And here is the golden rule for 2026, the 80-20 rule. Let the AI do 80% of the heavy lifting, the structure, and the first draft, but you must do the final 20%. Read it out loud. If you wouldn't say it to a client or it does not feel right, delete it and don't use it.